Hi all, my name is Gulshan Banu, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department, SNS institutions. Today I am here to present you a topic from the unit 3, that is game playing and CSP. The topic that we are going to see is what is game theory. So in the previous video, we saw certain concepts of heuristic functions, how to calculate the heuristic functions, the basic concepts of informed research and uninformed research, the types of informed research, the types of uninformed research, and how to calculate the heuristic function value, etc. We also saw what is online search. Basically, online search is just a kind of an agent, right? So it computes different kinds of actions. First, it takes an action, it observes it, it observes the environment. It will get to know what is the actual need of the process. It will compute the process, and then it will move to the next different process. So in this today, we are going to see certain topics that is nothing but game theory, role of game playing, types of games, and the game tree. In game theory process, we have certain basic definitions which we wanted to know. That is nothing but what is game, what is rule, what is perfect information, what is strategy. Okay, so game is nothing but a kind of a playing process in which it will be involved with multiplayers, or it can be involved with one or two players, which aims to maximize the output or the winning possibility, and it is also based on the strategic decisions taken. So now rules is nothing but different kinds of progression of a game, or it can be certain kinds of steps in which a game has to be played. The next is perfect information. A game cannot be played with different kinds of informations given to it, but those informations has to be perfect, and only then you can play the game in an efficient way. In this, you will be having different kinds of moves, you will be having different kinds of knowledges associated with it, etc. So strategy is nothing but it is just a choice of how the player is being, how a player is actually using the process, and what he is about to do in each and every stage, and what he is actually aiming to achieve, and the strategy or the game path in which he is going to achieve the best possible process. So this is how the basic game theory will be evaluated. First is what is game. Okay, there are different games which is associated with it. For playing a game, you have to have players. Those players should have strategies. Those players should follow the strategies and different playoffs, right? So in this, you have different games. In min-max algorithm, that is in the upcoming slides, we will be seeing what is Nash equilibrium, backward function, etc. And I'll be explaining you some examples of this. So the next concepts or the definition we will be seeing is what is move. Move is nothing but in chess game, we will be having different kinds of moves, right? Or in normal play, where whatever normal play we play, we will have different kinds of moves, right? That is what move is. The next is playoffs and outcome. Playoffs and outcome is nothing but the final result of whatever you're playing or whatever you're doing. That is called as a playoff or outcome. Min-max is nothing but the strategy in which you will be following a zero-sum games where player minimizes their maximum possible loss, and maximum is nothing but it is a kind of a strategy where a player maximizes their minimum possible gain and focusing on minimizing their potential loss, and the kind of worst case scenario is called as the Max-Min algorithm. So what is the role of game playing in AI? There are different reasons in which the game has to be appear, and those games should be appeared in a good domain. Those things are, they provide a structured task. The next is they did not obviously require large amount of knowledge. For playing any kind of game, you doesn't have to follow a structured process. The next thing is you doesn't have to have the adverse knowledge of whatever you're doing. So, anyways, wherever you play a game and whenever you play a game, role of game playing plays an important role, and this is the thing which I have explained in this. So in this video, we saw what is game theory. That is what is the basic concepts of game theory. That is in that we saw what is the basic definitions. That is what is game, rule, perfect information, strategy, moves, playoffs and outcomes. We saw what is min-max and what is maximin. Next, we saw what are the different kinds of roles of game playing in AI. In the next video, I'll be continuing with the same topic with some other slides. So as of now, thank you. Have a good day.